What's going on, Odooers? Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at how a hardware store like Handy Hardware can manage its day-to-day operations using Odoo. We'll follow a real-world workflow starting at the checkout counter, handling back orders with ship later options, placing sales and purchase orders, and finishing product deliveries. This quick high-level workflow demonstrates how Odoo's core apps, point of sale, sales, purchase, and inventory are fully connected, giving you a smooth and efficient experience from the first sale to the final delivery. While today we're focusing on how Odoo can be used in a hardware store, its capabilities extend far beyond a single industry. To discover what Odoo can do for your business, visit odoo.com, select industries from the top menu, and explore solutions tailored to your industry today. All right, let's get started and see Odoo in action. We'll start on the main Odoo dashboard, and from here, we're going to open up our point of sale application. On our main homepage here, we're going to click Open Register. And at this point, all we need to do is confirm the amount of opening cash, and then once again, click Open Register. Now, imagine a customer walks into Handy Hardware. Our customer today is Sean Kwan, a customer who's already registered in our system. On the point of sale screen, all we have to do is click this customer button here, search for Sean Kwan, and since he's already in our system, we just need to select him here. Now, today, Sean wants 2 units of Pioneer PVC adhesive and 2 units of Roth epoxy tiles. So we're just going to find it on our POS screen here. And there they are. And we're just going to click each item to add them. The system is quick and intuitive. Once everything is added, I'll confirm the total amount, and it looks good, so I'll go ahead and click Payment. And then here, the customer can go ahead and decide if they want to pay with cash or add this on their customer account. In this case, Sean's going to pay with cash. And then, if this looks good and correct, we can go ahead and validate this. And just like that, the sale is complete. Now, let's look at another point of sale scenario. This time, we're going to make an order, and it's for Dennis Cruz. Dennis wants 5 units of Asian proofing water hydraulic. So, in the customer field here, I'm going to add Dennis. And then, we're going to add 5 units of the Asian waterproofing. However, this time I don't have enough stock on hand to fulfill this order immediately. Instead of turning the customer away, Odoo lets us handle this easily. I'm going to click Payment. And on the payment screen, I'm going to select our Ship Later option, then enter the expected delivery date, which will be for, let's say, Friday. And then click Confirm. This allows us to complete the sale now and deliver the product once it's back in stock, keeping both of our sales and customers moving forward. Now, I'll go ahead and click Cash since Dennis is paying us upfront. And once this looks good, we'll go ahead and click Validate. Next, let's say a business customer calls us directly. Wonderful Renovations just placed an order for 3 aqua towel racks. Now, here in the Sales app, I'll click New in the top left corner to create a new sales order. And first, I'll add Wonderful Renovations as the customer here in the customer field. Then in the order line section, I'm going to add our 3 aqua towel racks. That's all it takes. For this demo, I'll confirm the order, but in a real-world scenario, we could easily send this as a quotation by clicking Send to email this to the customer. The order is now officially placed in the system. Now that we've made a couple sales, it's time to replenish our stock. Here in the Purchase app, you'll notice something important. Odoo has automatically generated a purchase order for us from our vendor, Ferris Hardware, to replenish our Asian waterproofing hydraulic. We know this was done by an automation because if we scroll down, we can see that Odoo bot is the one who created this purchase order based off of our reordering rules. This automation ensures we never forget to restock critical items. From here, I can send the request for a quotation by email by simply clicking Send RFQ, or I can confirm it manually for this demo. And once confirmed, we'll see we have the ability to receive the products right here and bring it directly into our inventory. I'll click it, click validate, and now this transfer is in our inventory. Now the waterproofing hydraulic is officially back in stock. Finally, let's deliver our products in the inventory app. We'll start by clicking to delivery here in our delivery order section, and right off the bat, we can see our outgoing deliveries that are waiting to be completed, including the orders from our recent purchases and sales. So we'll start by clicking the one for Dennis Cruz, and once Dennis picks up his items, all we have to do is click validate to complete the transaction. And then we'll move over to our other one for Wonderful Renovations Company, and we can do the same thing just by clicking validate once they pick up or we ship their aqua towel racks. And the two shipments are now both complete. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've followed how Handy Hardware runs its daily operations in Odoo. From making quick sales at the counter and managing customer relationships, to handling back orders, automatically replenishing stock, and delivering products to customers once everything is ready. All of these steps happen in a single, fully integrated system, giving hardware stores real-time visibility and control over every part of their workflow without jumping between tools or losing information along the way. If you're ready to streamline your operations and set your business up for long-term growth, schedule a meeting with one of our advisors today. Together, we'll build a solution designed to support where you are now and where you're headed to next.